Hello, my name's Mark Molden, and I'm the manufacturer of the ZipKit. If you don't know about the ZipKit is a complete wood parts kit that we've developed from the original 1954 Glen L plans for the Zip, which is a 14'4" plywood runabout built on hardwood frames. Today I'm going to show you this video of how to assemble the frames. The frames are milled out of 4/4 African mahogany, which we machine down to 3/4 of an inch through our wide belt sander. We take the rips to the CNC machine, cut out the perimeters, drill all the holes, put on your fairing lines, then we label them, ship them to you. In this video we're going to show you how to assemble the frames using the gussets and the dowel pins. This is the first of a series of videos of how to assemble the Zip.
Here we have our frame number 4 ready for assembly. We have our numbered parts. We have the number 404 forward style port side, bottom rail, top rail, the starboard style. And I've also got the forward gussets. This is the bottom, forward, starboard side. So when you're ready to assemble, we have our 5mm dowel pins, we have our epoxy, we have our gussets, and our frame members. We have the forward side all facing forward. And we're just going to apply some glue to the joint. Line it up. If you'll note that our fairing scribes continue right through. Now we're going to put some adhesive on the gusset back. So assembling the frame, we have our forward gusset, port bottom, port style, bottom rail. We're going to line our frame members up. Make sure everything's in order. Make sure that's tight with the fairing marks. Now I want to take a little glue, put on the dowel pins. I'm just going to tack it. Just to make sure our position is held properly. I'm going to go ahead and glue both sides of the joint. Okay. Glue the back side of your gusset. Line your joint up. Put your gusset in position. Meter dowel pins. On to the next joint. I've already glued this. Just need to align it. Glue the back of our gusset. Okay, what we're going to do now is drive these pins through to the other side. Now we have our pins sticking through the other side to help us align this. Our joint looks good. Line up the pins. Tap into position. At this point, you could clamp this, which I would recommend, or you can pin it with your Raptor plastic nails. Or you could use your bronze ring shank nails provided from the Glen L fastener kit, which also would be great. The only problem with that, you would see the exposed heads of the bronze nails, but that might look pretty nice, actually. All right, so now we're going to fasten the gusset, the starboard deck's aft gusset, which is a unique gusset in that it has this flat area where the carling actually rests. At this point, the front carling, starboard side. So we're going to use our ring shank nails provided in the Glen L fastening kit. Okay, continuing the assembly of the frame, here we have the number 4 aft port gusset. Aligns with the 2 dowels. Our joint is tight. This is what we're looking for. Tap it in position, and on this particular joint, we're going to clamp it today. How we look. Outstanding.
Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, leave your comments, and if you need more information, go to our website at ZipKit.com. That's zip with 3 Z's. And we'll see you on Facebook.